Hello, this is CoopDog's TV today, and today I will be doing a vlog on the AMORY Mississippi Railroad Festival. So let's do this. And here is the AMORY Railroad Festival. And remember, look at the vlog video. Here's what it looks like when American Idol, Trent Harmon, when they were over here watching American Idol on the big old jumbotron.